If you notice, I didn't post any video for 2 days. 2 days or 3 days? 2 days, I think. Today will be the third day. Now, what happened was I was cleaning up my PC, this iMac, not PC. I deleted all the files, folders, videos, resumes, documents, emails, messages. Oof. Gave me a headache. The deleting process itself took 2 days. Like, iMac has this Clean My Mac where it deletes all the unwanted files that you can dump. Just to delete the files itself, the process, I kept the iMac on 2 days. It took that much time, at around 7 terabyte, 7 point something. That's like having 7 computers or 7 laptops or 14 laptops worth of data. But it's important to do this, because when you delete all this crap and nonsense, and obviously the iMac becomes faster, the PC becomes faster. It's like formatting, Remove all the programs you don't use, all the messages delete, all the videos, movies, downloads, images, files. You feel fresh, Even my phone, I deleted so many things. I think close to 25 GB worth of photographs and images and messages, and this is crazy, man. The phone also gets clogged up. And then after that, obviously, as I'm doing that, I clean up my room, and there also, to my shock and surprise, there is so much of shit that comes. It's unbelievable. Like when I was cleaning my room, all of a sudden I find my baby's toys in some corner. I find a knife kept somewhere. Pencils, papers, connectors, stuff that I didn't know existed there also. Then the book I never saw, or something that I was searching. And the dust is, oh my goodness, the dust is crazy. You begin to think like, what the fuck is this, man? Then you clean. You know how I clean? As I'm cleaning the table, I remove each and every item. And as I remove each and every item, whatever doesn't belong on my table, it can be a pencil, pen, eraser, book, connector, knife, anything. It all goes on a separate table and it doesn't come back. To my shock and surprise, the amount of stuff that is just cluttered around itself is so huge. Then on top of that, what I do is I clean the side areas and all that. Another thing which I've also been doing is I tell my wife, clean up the kitchen cupboard, the fridge, the freezer, the bookshelves. We find so many things we don't need here. It really makes me wonder, like, what the fuck, man? From where all this stuff comes? And just imagine, I'm very particular what we buy. We always end up buying more than what we need. Always. And then to get rid of it is another headache. I think sometimes we people are so bored. We just buy without even realizing what you are buying. And right now for me, there is this, because I stay on the island of Samui, here it runs only by tourists. So very many times there is a sale. Like there was this Adidas, I wear the Adidas shoes when I go for running and, just running in the morning. Otherwise, whole day I wear slippers, flip-flops. So Adidas, their shoes are selling for 6,000 baht, the one I am wearing. And this one below, see, I'll show you, wait, I don't know if you can see, 1 second. See, you can see below, it's completely gone, okay? But it's useful. The funny thing is, the Adidas that I used to buy from Dubai, they were very durable. The ones here in Thailand, I don't know, they just deteriorate pretty fast. But anyway, no complaints. I use this for now 2 years. So there was a sale, 6,000 baht is one shoe, or 6,500 if it's brand new, the latest model. So 6,000 was what it was selling. Then during the sale, they have sometimes 30% off. Okay, so that comes to 4,000 baht. So now they came out with a promotion, because I check frequently. When I want to buy something, I don't buy immediately. I check the price. So this time when I went, you know, they always have this 1st January sale, 2nd February. So the month and the date, 3rd March, 4th April, 5th May, 6th June. So this time when June came, this month, they had a sale for, 6th of June sale. So they'll be having this sale for the next 2-3 days. So I went there, I checked in Adidas, and there they had buy one, 6,000 baht, you can get it for 4,000. Buy two, you can get it for something 7. See, buy one you get 30% off. Buy two you get 40% off. Buy three you get 55% off. So 50%, like 33, 44, 55. So if I purchased one shoe, it would be 4,000. A 6,000 baht shoe for 4,000. But if I purchase three, it would be 8,000. So 4,000 one shoe, three shoe 8,000. So when you do the math, it's basically you get one shoe free. Buy two, get one free. So I ended up buying 3 shoes. Then when we are coming back, we checked in. I always check in 7-Eleven stores. They give away stuff at 50% off. You know, mixed nuts. I like nuts. So a bag of nuts is like a brand sells at 80 baht for 100 grams or something. So now it was selling for 40 baht, half the price. It's like a bloody hell, grab 4, 5 or 10 bags or whatever. Noodles were selling for half price, and we eat every day. It's not that we just buy and keep. So why I'm telling you this is because you end up taking advantage of a sale, but then your house becomes like a go down, man. And if you have seen my videos before, we ended up having so many things in the house, so many things last year. So, and also because we used to keep things in a cupboard and closed. So that is why I got rid of all the cupboards, bought open cupboards where you can keep and see things. So that kind of helps. So you don't have the closed doors. You can check my videos of December last year. It took me 1 month of deep cleaning. I got rid of so many things. So what I'm trying to tell you is, it's very important to clean, man. Very important to take out everything and delete or remove or get rid of, or ask yourself, okay, I bought this, am I using it? And if there are things that you use, like the shoes, I use every day. Okay, it was a good deal, but now I need to use it. There's 3 shoes, imagine, they're just lying there. Have you purchased anything which you thought, I'll use it, just lying in your house? Can be a belt, perfume, shoes, maybe even computer gadgets and all that. I'm guilty of this. I'm guilty of this. I end up buying things because it catches my fancy and I don't use it for a long time. Sometimes I never use it and I end up giving it. Anyway, what I want to tell you is clean your area, clean your desk, clean your computer, clean your wardrobe. What you do not need, just get rid of it. What you have not used for months. And if you plan to use it, at least use it. Don't store it and keep it, because otherwise you'll never use it. It's just like how my mother and stepfather used to buy all this glass and towels and blankets, and I know many people who have their wedding dress. They have it till today, including stuff that they bought when they were young. But they never use it, but they keep it because they think one day I will use. That day never comes. Anyway, so try it out. Let me know your thoughts. Just thought I'd share this. Right? Put your comments down below. Let me know. How do you clean? Do you clean once a month, once a week, or every day? I do my deep cleaning once a month. Alright? You guys take care. Ciao.